Hello there, it's Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you how you're going to be able to install iOS 16 on your devices. So if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So Apple has released iOS 16 beta 1 for developers, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you're going to be able to install it. But you're going to be doing this at your own risk because this is the developer preview and it's a bit baggy than you are going to have in case maybe the public beta is released. This is actually not going to be better than the public beta. So if you want to just have a feel of the iOS 16, I think you can go ahead and install, but you would have to know you're going to face a bit of challenges and all. So first, what you need to do is you need to go to your web browser, that is Safari, and then also you type in beta profiles, and then you go to Google. So what you need to do is you tap on this second search result right here to get into the page where you're going to be able to just get your developer preview for iOS 16. So you can see right here we have it for iOS 16, iPad OS 16, Watch OS 9, and then TV OS 16, and then we have TV OTA, or that is for the side load and all. So you can scroll down and then you're going to see all the versions which has been released now. And then what we need here is the iOS 16. So you can see iOS 16 beta 1. You tap on this section right here, and then you tap on install anyway, and then you tap on allow right here, and then you can see. So what you're going to do next is you go to your settings, and then you go to general, and then you scroll down to VPN and device management. So you're going to see the iOS 16 beta profile right here. But before we do that, we are going to go to the software update, and you're going to see the version of iOS I'm on right now. So you can see I'm on iOS 15.5, so that you wouldn't say I've already installed it. And then you're going to see right here, you tap on it's like this, and then you tap on install, and then you tap in your passcode. So after you tap in your passcode, it's going to be the pop-up. You tap on install again, and then you tap on install, and then you just either restart or not now. So I'm just going to tap on not now, and then done. And then you go back to your software update, and then you make it refresh itself again, and then you're going to see your pop-up right here. So it's 5.32, and then you can just download and install it right away from here. So that is pretty much very cool. In case you want to opt out to, what you need to do is you just go to your VPN and then device management, and then you tap on this section, and then you remove the profile right here, and then you're going to opt out, and the previous version of iOS 15.5 is actually going to pop up, and then you install that too, and that's pretty much very cool. So if this was helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here, because I have a lot more I'm going to be sharing with you. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.